In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shortcuts in Google Drive. Adding shortcuts is a great way to organize your files and access frequently used documents quickly. Whether you're collaborating with a team or working on personal projects, shortcuts can make your life a lot easier. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to help streamline your workflow with this handy feature. To get started, you'll need to sign into your Google Drive account. If you're not already logged in, head to the Google Drive sign-in page. Once there, enter your credentials, and you'll be taken to your main Drive homepage. This is where all your documents, spreadsheets, and files are stored. Now let's move on to how you can create shortcuts for easy access to specific files. Navigate to the file you want to create a shortcut for. This could be an important document, a project file, or anything else you need to access frequently. Hover over the file, and you'll notice 3 vertical dots appear to the right of it. This is often referred to as the More Actions menu, and is your gateway to several file management options. Click on these 3 dots. This will bring up a drop-down menu that includes various options such as sharing the file, getting a link, and other organizational functions. From the menu, select the Organize option. This step helps you manage how your files are arranged and keep your drive neat and streamlined. Now that you're in the organizing mode, you can move on to the next step. Within the organizing options, you'll see the Add Shortcut button. Clicking this button will initiate the process of creating a shortcut for your selected file. This feature is particularly beneficial for reducing clutter and ensuring that your drive remains easy to navigate. Now it's time to choose where you want this shortcut to appear. A pop-up window will allow you to select a destination for your shortcut. You might want to place it in a specific folder that's dedicated to a particular project, or categorized by type, depending on your organizational needs. Navigate through your folders and select the one that makes the most sense for you. Once you've picked the location, simply click the Add button to finalize the process. And just like that, you've created a shortcut. You can now access this file simply by navigating to your designated folder and clicking on the shortcut, saving you time and effort in the future. So, to wrap up, adding shortcuts in Google Drive is a quick, effortless way to enhance your productivity and keep your digital workspace organized. By following these instructions, you're now equipped to effectively manage your files and optimize your drive experience. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe